Side hustles are all the rage, and you probably already have one. But what if you don't want to advertise the fact you're making money on the side? I get it. Discretion is important. And that's why I've compiled a list of secret websites to make money online. Subscribe below and keep watching. First up, investing in real estate. It's no secret that investing in real estate is a great way to make money. But it's only for rich people, right? People with enough money to buy an investment property? Wrong. You can invest in real estate with as little as $10 on the platform ground floor. Now, there's no guarantee you'll get your money back. But if you do, you could make a hefty profit. Just create an account, choose to lend money to a borrower who's buying real estate, and if it turns a profit, you'll get a share of the earnings. Cha-ching. Of course, it's a bit more complicated than that, but not much. I'll link a ground floor review below so you can learn more. Next up, selling goods. You're probably capable of creating something people would pay for. Maybe it's winter hats, or earrings, or note cards. If you're even a little bit artsy, you can likely pull it off. The problem is marketing your goods to customers. You can try craft fairs and local artisan markets, but you might strike out if you're not in the right area. And that's why Etsy is such a lifesaver. Etsy lets you create an online store, then sell your goods directly to consumers. It's super convenient and makes finding customers easy. If you're knowledgeable in an academic subject, then working as an online tutor is a total no-brainer. There are lots of tutoring platforms that are essentially secret websites to make money online. Just sign up, share your areas of expertise, and connect with paying students. But what if you don't have any special knowledge? Are you out of the tutoring game? Not at all. Here's a little secret to make money as a tutor. All you need is to be a native English speaker. That's thanks to Cambly. Cambly is a super straightforward tutoring platform that helps people around the world learn English. Many learners don't need complicated lessons. They just want to talk with native speakers, people like you. You can make up to $10.20 per hour, and you'll set your own schedule. Flexibility plus decent pay equals one of the best secret websites to make money online. We all know the feeling. You open a birthday present and it's a gift card to a place you'd never go. Luckily, there's a website that can help, CardCash. It's not just one of the best secret websites to make money online. It's also one of the best ways to use unwanted presents without having to hurt anyone's feelings. CardCash is designed for people who want to sell unused gift cards. You won't get the full value of the card, but you'll get a fair amount. The exact amount will depend on the brand, and you can check instantly on the CardCash website. Be sure to check out my other video on surveys that will earn you free gift cards quickly. Ready to release your inner Hemingway? Then consider working as a freelance writer. Upwork is one of the best websites to make money, especially for aspiring freelancers. You can start by making an account, then applying for jobs. There are all sorts of writing gigs out there, from long-form blogs to punchy social media posts. Try to market yourself within a specific niche, but don't be afraid to take whatever jobs present themselves. The market can be tough, but getting work is rewarding. And once you have it, you'll enjoy a side hustle that's totally flexible and lucrative. People pay big money for storage space. So if you have extra space in your home, couldn't you rent it for money? Yep, and it's easy thanks to the platform Neighbor. You can rent out all sorts of spaces, including garages, basements, driveways/parking spaces, attics, closets, bedrooms, and other indoor spaces. Listing your space on Neighbor is totally free. And once you find a renter, you won't have to do a thing. Just meet them so they can drop off their stuff, and that's it. Passive income. There's nothing better. So you're on a website and you find yourself thinking, why can't they just put the link at the top? And where's the sign-in button anyway? Imagine if you could share those frustrations and get paid for the effort. Well, you can. User testing is a platform designed to help businesses test their websites. They'll pay you to peruse a site and share your opinion. Your first step is to make an account on user testing. You'll have to take a practice test, and then you can start testing websites, social media pages, and even actual products. With each test, you'll get money sent to your account, which you can then receive through PayPal. The perks of gig work are obvious. The scheduling is flexible. The work is varied, and you get to be your own boss. Not a bad deal. But the problem is finding consistent work. That's where a platform like Gigwalk comes in. Gigwalk invites companies to hire from a large pool of gig workers, and you can sign up to be one of them. Getting hired is a simple 4-step process. 1. Download the Gigwalk app. 2. Sign up for an account. 3. Link to your PayPal. 4. Apply for gigs and start making money. Completing online surveys has become a popular way to make money. It's quick, easy, and totally flexible, exactly what you need from secret websites to make money. If there's a downside to taking online surveys, it's the less than stellar pay. That's why it's so important to find the best paying platforms and apps that pay you real money instantly. Prolific Surveys is one of the most lucrative sites, but it also has a waitlist. I'd recommend getting on that list, then using other sites while you wait your turn. GradPoints and Branded Surveys are 2 other reputable platforms you can join right away. Both sites will pay cash through PayPal, and Branded Surveys also offers direct deposit. Playing games might not sound like a legitimate way to earn money, but it is. In fact, there are countless secret websites to make money online by playing games. Misplay has been one of the most popular platforms for years. It's totally legit. They've given away over $51 million and easy to use. Just make an account and play the games they recommend. You'll earn points as you play, and you can redeem them for gift cards to PayPal, Amazon, Google Play, and more. Another option is Blackout Bingo. It's a bingo game that pays real cash prizes. It's available on the Apple App Store, and many users say it's fun and totally addicting. All in on earning money by gaming? Check out my full video on games that'll pay you. If you like driving and the smell of food, being a delivery driver could be an excellent side hustle. Not interested in driving around in a car painted like a pizza box? I understand. It's not exactly discreet, but don't worry. You can drive your own vehicle with services like DoorDash and Uber. They're basically secret websites to make money online, but downloadable as apps. I even have a video on tips for you to maximize your earnings. Instacart is another option. It's a grocery delivery service, which means you'll shop for other people, then drop off their goods. For all of these services, the first step is to create an account. You should get approved in a matter of days. From there, you'll be able to drive as much or as little as you'd like. That's what I call maximum flexibility. There you have it, 11 secret and not so secret websites to help you earn money online. If you liked this, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for even more ways to make money. Happy earning!